Hello world! I'm Melvin and welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Forum, where learning is fun. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a butterfly origami. This is part of a series of videos entitled Mathematics Through Origami. My hope is that teachers and students alike will engage in these hands-on activities to learn mathematics through origami. Have fun! Today we are going to create a butterfly origami. To do this, we need square origami papers. Most of the origamis, by the way, are created using a square shape paper, but there are some which uses rectangular shape papers. Now, just a quick tip, if you don't have a square origami paper, just like what I have, you can use any paper, like a rectangular paper, and you can create a square by aligning this shorter side with the longer side, just like this one. Okay, we're gonna create a crease right here, and then we're gonna fold along this other side of your paper. And if I open that up, this one right here is going to be a square, and you cut this off with a pair of scissors. Now going back, the first step in creating our butterfly origami is to create a valley fold along one of the diagonals. Now what is a valley fold? So from the name itself, valley, it is a fold wherein the paper is pointed downwards, and you can think of this as the two mountains, and this is your valley right here. Now if I turn this on the other side, so this one now is called a mountain fold, and I'm going to show you that it looks like a mountain. So this is your mountain fold right here. So the next step is to repeat the process and do that on the other diagonal. So we're going to fold along the other diagonal of a square, create another valley fold, open it up. Now you can do a little investigation. What is true about these intersecting diagonals? About the measurement, are the measurements the same? And what is true about the angles being formed? Are they right angles? And if they are, then you are able to form 4 congruent right angles right there, and you're also going to see that the opposite angles are going to be congruent. Now we're going to create a mountain fold along one of the sides of your square, and to do that I'm going to fold this and align two sides together, overlap, increase, open it up. So now I'm creating more angles. Again, you can investigate the relationship between the angles to see what type of angles they are, and if they are corresponding angles or something like that. So the next step is to push this center of the square a little bit and put together the two segments created by our mountain folds. Put them together and by hold this one right here, and then you press the sides so that you create 4 flaps right here, and press hard to crease. Now we are able to create 2 triangles, one triangle here and another triangle at the back. And again, you can investigate if these triangles are really congruent, but I see that it seems like they are congruent. They're overlapping, in fact. Now this one is going to become one of the wings of our butterfly. So I'm going to fold this. I'm going to hold this center right here, or the midpoint of this line right here, hold it, and then fold. Now I'm going to give it a little bit of inclination right here. Okay, and then crease. You already see here the wing, the lower wing or the back wing of your butterfly, and then you have this one, the top one, and repeat or mirror the process on the other side. And you have to make sure that the distance and the inclination is maintained. So now you have the two lower wings of your butterfly. So I'm going to hold it this way, and we're going to bring this tip, the original tip of your triangle, you bring this up like this, and you have to make sure that the tip is a little bit on top of this line right here, or line segment. You fold it in or fold down, and we're gonna create a valley fold. Open it up, and voila, you have a butterfly. These are the finished products. I have 6 butterflies in here, and you can use this to decorate your classrooms or your living room or your bedroom.